Hey everyone, welcome to my art world. So today I'm kind of unboxing canvas board and stretch canvas also, and also sharing how to gesso both of these. So let's get started.
Three, go. 난 부를 거야. 아마 날 부를 거야. 웃고 있는 내 모습은 진짜가 아니야. 내 자신이 미워서 한참을 울었어. 그래야 기분이 나아질 것 같아서 내일이 오면 나는 또다시 어제 입었던 옷을 입고서 have to fake myself. 나약한 모습은 숨기고 살아야지. 사람들은 겉모습만 판단하니까 하나 둘씩 사람들은 날 떠나가네. 별거 없어 믿은 내 잘못이지. It's hurting me, but I have to pretend. No one cares about me. I'm so lonely. Oh, 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 oh.
So if you find this video very useful, please do not forget to subscribe to support my channel and share it with your friends and family. And I will come up with new such videos for you guys. So see you soon and thank you so much for watching.